Today I'm going to show you how to remove background music from a talking video in CapCut, step by step, so you can keep your voice clear and make your video sound much more professional. This is a really useful trick if you recorded a talking video and the music in the background is too loud, distracting, or just not the vibe you want anymore. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple editing tips just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut and import the video clip that you want to edit. You can drag and drop your video straight into the timeline or use the import option if that's how you normally work. Once your clip is in the timeline, click on it so it becomes highlighted. This is important because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to adjust before it can show the correct settings. Now look over to the top right side of your screen. You should see the editing panel there. From that panel, click on the Audio tab. This is where CapCut keeps the sound controls for your selected clip. Since we're trying to separate the talking voice from the background music, the audio settings are exactly where we need to be. Inside the audio section, make sure you are on the Basic sub-tab. Sometimes CapCut has multiple audio options, so double check that you're in the right place before moving on. Once you're in Basic, scroll down until you find the Vocal Isolation option. When you see Vocal Isolation, check the box next to it to turn it on. After that, look directly underneath for the drop-down menu. Click it and select Keep Vocal. This tells CapCut that you want to preserve the spoken audio while reducing or removing the background music from the track. Once you apply that setting, CapCut's AI will begin processing the audio automatically. In most cases, it works very quickly and does a solid job of separating the voice from the music. You should hear the background music reduce a lot, while your speaking voice stays much clearer and easier to understand. This is especially helpful for talking head videos, tutorials, commentary videos, and anything where voice clarity matters more than the music. Now, there is one important thing to know. Vocal Isolation is a CapCut Pro feature, so if you're using the free version, you may still be able to preview the effect, but CapCut will require a Pro subscription if you want to export the final edited video with this effect applied. That means if you try this and like the result, you'll need Pro to actually save and download the finished version without the background music. So if you're wondering whether this method works, the answer is yes, it does. But the export part depends on your plan. If you're on CapCut Free, it's still useful to test the tool and see how cleanly it separates the audio before deciding whether upgrading makes sense for your workflow. And that's really all there is to it. Import your video, select the clip, open the Audio tab, go to Basic, turn on Vocal Isolation, and choose Keep Vocal. In just a few clicks, you can make a talking video sound much cleaner and more focused. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want more quick editing fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.